Well, the seasonal outlook is out for this upcoming winter, and it looks like it's going to stay near average temperature-wise for us here, but warm across the northern states and out west as well. Precipitation, you can see generally, especially Texas east, it will be wetter than normal, and that's great news for us here in Florida, as many areas along the coast are in a drought. The reason for this is El Nino. These are the waters west of South America along the equator. When they're warmer than normal, like now, that gives us El Nino, and that pushes the jet stream to the south, that Pacific jet. So it gives us more storms, a little bit cooler because of that, especially across the deep south, although it'll be a little bit warmer to the northwest. Average temps for December dropping down through the 70s. January is our coolest, with most of the months is around 71 for our high. And by February 2nd, we start warming things up.